If you're craving a one-pot meal that's quick and easy and packs a punch, you need to try this hot and spicy noodle soup. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we transform everyday ingredients into soul-warming meals. Today we're cooking up a cozy, spicy udon noodle soup that's loaded with veggies and protein. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Thinly slice your green onions, keeping whites for the pan and greens for garnish. Finely minced cilantro stems, garlic and grate fresh ginger, and this combo is our secret flavor bomb. Julienne your bell peppers and carrots for that perfect bite and shred the cabbage thinly so it wilts just right into the soup. Mince some tofu or paneer in a chopper, as it not only packs in protein but also adds a great texture to the soup. Heat a deep pan on medium, drizzle in the chili oil and then add your crumbled tofu. Let it brown, season with some salt and pepper and then splash in a little water to deglaze, scraping up all those golden bits. Toss in your aromatics and sauté until fragrant, and then in go your veggies with a pinch of salt. Cook just until they begin to soften. Pour in the hot water and then add in the soy sauce, rice vinegar and a spoonful of Schezwan chili sauce, and this adds in that spicy kick. Taste and balance with a pinch of sugar or extra salt if needed. Add in a pack of udon noodles or any other noodles of your choice in the bubbling broth and cook until tender. Top with green onion slices and if you're feeling fancy, a few cilantro leaves. Give everything one final stir, then ladle into bowls. Dig in and enjoy that spicy veggie-packed goodness. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.